Change the way you work with predictive maintenance. We won't just present you with a new master clock, but something more. We want to revolutionize and simplify your work. Have you ever heard of predictive maintenance? There are many types of maintenance. Let's discover them together. Corrective maintenance is the simplest asset management method, which consists of intervening on a plant or machinery only after a breakdown has occurred. Preventive maintenance is a specific type of extraordinary maintenance which, performed at predetermined intervals, is designed to reduce the probability of a breakdown. A predictive maintenance, the most advanced technique, allows you to monitor the health of your assets in real time. Let's look together the advantages of predictive maintenance. 35 to 45% reduction of idle times, thanks to more targeted interventions. Reduction of maintenance costs up to 25 to 30%. Productivity increases of 20 to 25%. The extension of the average life of the components allows the reduction of the environmental impact. Travel and ticket service reduction. The early detection of anomalies allows a reduction of risks and an improvement in terms of safety. But why should I change the way I work? Because being able to manage a maintenance plan for each plant allows you not only to lower costs, but to generate profit. You will be able to create customized support packages, monitor the health of the system, build customer loyalty with an innovative maintenance offer. How can I change the way I work? With our latest generation E.Klok master clock, including cloud service, WebApp, connection. With E.Klok, I arrive before the breakdown. I easily monitor the health of the installation in real time. I can offer a complete service which also includes programming without going on site. Let it be easy to program, innovative and smart.